Hello everybody, Gouke here, together with Erik, our R&D manager. We have just arrived at Arlanda Airport, Stockholm. We are here for the introduction of the e-EcoNomic, the full electric high pressure cleaning unit, which in this case is mounted into a full electric e-Vito. I see Patrick already waiting for us. He has been so kind to collect us. Hi Patrick, please say something to everybody.
Hello.
This is Patrick Holm, the sales manager on Vretmaskin. He just picked us up at the airport. Patrick, what do you think? A lot of customers will attend these days?
Yeah, we'll probably be around 80 to 100 customers coming to look at the cars tomorrow.
Wow, great. Yeah. And all interested in the e-EcoNomic?
The e-EcoNomic and the EcoFit.
Yeah, EcoFit double pump.
Yeah, double pump. The beast.
The beast. Great. I'm here together with Fred Knaus. Fred Knaus is the CEO of Vretmaskin. Hi, Fred. What do you expect for the day?
We expect a lot of business, a lot of clients coming and having a look at our new electric high pressure cleaning machine.
Yeah. And what can you tell us something about last year? You won the Dealer of the Year award for ROM, and this year seems to be another good year. What's the secret?
Well, hard work, putting them eyes on the car and actually going out and meeting clients and telling them about the great ROM products.
Okay, so the hard work pays off.
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks. So a lot of interest in the e-EcoNomic. We display here the 200, that's 200 bar 60 liter version. And what they really like most is that we have the water-cooled electric motor. That you have working time of at least 1 hour, and we got feedback from customers who worked 2 hours on full throttle without charging. And another very important option for the customers is the fast charging. So within 1 hour you have 80% of full battery. Yeah, great feedback, great response. I think it's going to be quite a big success here in Sweden. So Erik, as an R&D manager, it must be very interesting for you to be in Sweden at the open days for the introduction of the e-EcoNomic. What have you learned today?
Yeah, quite a lot. They use the machines differently than we do. They use smaller hoses, higher pressures. Been running this one today, 3/16 small nozzle, and basically the e-EcoNomic is the ideal machine for this work because you can run it at low RPM, so basically no noise, and you can switch it off and on very easily, so that you don't need to start the diesel engine.
Yeah,
it's very efficient, convenient, and nice to work with.
So if I understand it right, the way of working, how they do it in Sweden, it's even more interesting with the electric one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, very nice to see.
Great. Thanks, Erik.
Yeah.
So that was the open day at Vretmaskin. Now heading back to the airport, going back to the Netherlands. It was quite successful. Actually, we have done some business and some quotations out. So it was a fruitful open day. Now I'm looking forward to introduce the e-EcoNomic to the rest of Europe. Take care. Bye bye.